Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye has been denied bail for a fourth time. Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye has been denied bail over and over again this entire year. But well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I discuss a number of issues. Number one, what is the fate of Besigye going to be moving forward, because his hearing has now been pushed to 29th of December 2025. Number two, what are the legal issues concerning Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye at this point, because he has been denied the mandatory bail. No particular trial or hearing or mention has actually come up concerning Besigye, and now the entire nation is wide. And most importantly, number three, what can Besigye's lawyers Elias Lukwago and Martha Karua do moving forward concerning Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye? So welcome Legal News Daily, and this is Castle of this moving forward. Welcome to Legal News Daily. I'm your usual host Terry Kahuma on this channel. And like I always say, Legal News Daily is our daily legal news segment where we discuss all things national and international, political, social, but most importantly, legal. Now, straight to the point, Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye has been denied bail for a fourth time. That means that his lawyers, Martha Karua and Elias Lukwago, alongside the other lawyers, have continuously applied for bail for Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye for the case that they're putting against him of treason. Now, a straight background into Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye's case. Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye and his co-accused Obed Lutale were attending a book launch for one Martha Karua, and then security operatives arrested them from Nairobi. Then they were driven through Malaba and then brought to the military tribunal in Machindie. Now, Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale initially were arrested for illegal possession of firearms, and then now the charge sheet was now changed to treason. So now the charge of treason was now brought as a fresh lawsuit or a fresh case. So now Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye was transferred from the military tribunal now to the civilian courts after a thunderous decision by the Supreme Court, which was stating that in the case of Kabaziburuka versus Attorney General, that civilians should not be tried in the court martial, but then instead they should be tried in the civilian court system. Now, Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye, ever since November 16th up to about June 2025, has not received the mandatory bail that should be given to an accused person. The mandatory bail, it states that if a person or if someone who has been accused has not been granted bail for 180 days, no trial has been put against them, no trial has proceeded, and therefore, meaning that just a case has been put on them, they have been on remand for a long time and no particular trial or no progress of the case has taken place, then therefore they should be granted mandatory bail. However, Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye, under Justice Baguma, who is presiding over the matter, has constantly denied him bail. Now, everyone was looking for Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye being granted bail under Article 23 Clause B of the Constitution. The entire Article 23 talks about bail, talks about the 48-hour rule. All of that has not been respected because Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye was taken on November 16th, 2024, and now this is a year and even 3 months ever since he was taken. So therefore, Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye, number one, his rights under the 48-hour rule have been violated. That is his rights under Article 23 Clause B. He has been consistently denied bail, still under Article 23 Clause B, and most importantly, no trial has been proceeded, no trial has gone forward ever since Besigye has been arrested with his co-accused Obed Lutale. So now what does this mean moving forward? If Justice Baguma was going to now give a ruling or start the actual trial of Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye and nothing has taken place, we just have to wait and see what's going to happen on December 29th, because that is going to be the final time under which Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye is going to have his case to be given a certain direction or ruling or something. Because to constantly be denied bail all the time, then that means that either Justice Baguma is totally biased, or most importantly, there must be an invisible hand which is keeping Besigye in jail for all this long with no trial, no hearing, no ruling, no mention. He's just on remand. Every time they bring him back to court, nothing is happening. The particular elements of treason, they were stating that Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye cannot be granted the mandatory bail because the nature of his case is a very grave one, and therefore it must be looked for. The evidence must be reviewed. The state has to properly look through, and the prosecution has to look through all the evidence before they're going to be able to grant Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye bail. Last but not least, let me say this. No person is entitled to bail. However, every person has a right to ask for bail. So therefore, meaning that you do not have a right to bail as a citizen of Uganda, but you have a right to apply for bail. So a bail application is what you have a right to, meaning that bail is granted by a judge. And therefore, what are the common grounds under which bail is granted by any judge? Number one, the nature of the offense. Now in this case, the nature of the offense is treason. Number two, what is the gravity of the offense? The gravity meaning that how heavy is the case that has been put on this particular person. Then number 3, what is the age and also the health condition of the accused people. We all know that Dr. Kizza Besigye has not had good health for a very long time. We don't know about his co-accused Obed Lutale, but we all know that they're not in good condition because they've been in jail for a year plus. So therefore, they have been applying for bail on those grounds that my health is not okay, I need to go and get proper treatment. So the grounds for bail are the nature of the case, the gravity of the case and the offense, the health of the offender or the accused person, but most importantly, what has been the conduct of that particular person who is being accused. So the attitude and the behavior of the accused person will also give the judge grounds under which they should be able to grant this particular accused person bail. Bail is also spoken under the Magistrates Courts Act and also the Trial and Indictment Act, which also talk about bail and they give provisions of bail. So please, everyone, let me know what to talk about in a future video. Let's just see where the fate of Dr. Kizza Besigye is going to go moving forward. Let's await for 29th of December because Dr. Kizza Besigye has been put under remand for a very long time. Well, until next time, please, I'll see you. Bye-bye.